Hey guys, so this one is called Sock-er Skee-ball. You might have guessed it involves a little bit of kicking. So what you need for this is 10 soccer balls. In this case, we're going to use sock balls, and you need a laundry basket, you need a bucket, and you need a Tupperware. If you've got one slightly bigger than that, that would be better. And the bucket goes in the basket and the Tupperware goes in the bucket. So here's the point system. If you get a sock in the basket, you get 1 point. If you get a sock in the bucket, you get 5 points. And if you get a sock in the Tupperware, you get 10 points. So I've marked out 5 feet from here. Let's have a go. Oh, just a miss. I didn't miss. So each person gets 10 kicks. You're going to tally up your points and, as always, compete against yourself for best score or other people in your family. If you want to post a video, do that on our social media platforms, and we can't wait to see what you guys get up to.